Now let's assemble the component. File new, go to assembly. Okay, select all the components which we have drawn and place it one by one. So these are the 6 components we have drawn. Automate. Select this bottom face of the collar and top face of the fork. Next, make this whole region this one. Last thing, these two cylindrical percentage coincide. Let's place the shaft. So go to mate, select this inner region, cylindrical region, this region. Click OK. Select this face, this face, coincide. The next thing, select this region, this region. Parallel. That's all. Last thing, we have to place the key. Go to mate, the last thing, you have to keep the distance. Select this region of distance just 10 mm. So choose this flip dimension. Okay. Now let's assemble one more component with this center block. So we need all the components, that is fork, collar, pin, shaft, key. So we have to assemble all these components with the other face of the center block. So go to insert component, go to browse. So except this center block, Select all the components and click open. Now let's place one by one this screen. This is the component. These are the 5 components. Next we have to assemble these components with the other face of the center block. Okay. So go to mate, and select this cylindrical region with this cylindrical region. Okay. Next thing, select this region and this region gets okay. Next we have to keep this distance which is parallel with this distance. These two are parallel. So next assemble the pin. Select the cylindrical face of the pin, this face. Select this region and this region. Okay. Next we have to assemble the collar. Select the region of collar, the fork. So go to mate, select the region from the collar as well as the fork. Now fix the hole. So select this cylindrical hole with this cylindrical region. Okay. Now let's assemble the shaft. So go to mate, select the face of the fork with this shaft, and you can flip the direction if you want. This is the flip direction. Once you have completed this, next thing, choose the cylindrical region. So that is this cylindrical region with this cylindrical region. The last thing, we have to keep the keyway as parallel. That's so only thing, we have to assemble the key. The last part of the assembly is our key. Go to mate, select the bottom face of the key, which is made with this face. Next thing, select this region, that is the region of the key with this region. So here there is a distance of 10 mm. Select this side face with this face which gets coincide. So this is our final assembly. So only thing, we have to draw all the 6 components. Once we have completed the part drawing, next thing we have to assemble the component. So assembly is done like this. So save this component. So save, this is our final assembly. So save it in our folder. So instead of assembly, this is the universal joint or universal coupling. Universal joint. Thank you.